Hi guys! Welcome back! So ayan guys, ready na ang aming mga dadalhin. Ayan. So, 2 luggage, tapos isang bag. Ayan. Time for vacation! We are ready! We are ready to go!
Yay!
Hi there! Clinton and Nathan. Ayan o, naka-baseball hat on. Nathan o. Nathan boy, are you ready? Clinton? Oh. Okay, let's go! So, ako ngayon guys ay matutulog lang ako kasi while magdadrive yung asawa ko kasi ano ako, puyat ako sa kakaimpaki. Ayan. So, ayan guys, samahan niyo kami. They're not moving.
Oh, one off, yeah. I see one over there. It's spinning pretty fast.
Actually, there's 2 of them that's spinning pretty fast.
Yeah, go down there. They're going pretty good.
That is insane one. Oh, no, yes, spin. There's a lot there. Oh my god!
Valdosta, Georgia.
Hi guys! Today, we see some
They're way
wind
far
now.
ahead
There's
of
one
us.
over there. There's a giant one. Over there.
Yeah.
Solid.
Hi there, Nate. You okay? So, ayan, nagsukayan siya guys. Ayan, so, tamang-tama din pag-stop namin dito sa may gasoline station. First stop namin ito. Ayan, so, nagsuka ang aming baby. So, ayan, nandito kami sa bathroom. Ayan. Push, let's go, let's go. So, hold that one, Nate. So, you can use it when you need it, okay? Are you happy now, Nate? Is Nathan happy now?
If he doesn't move his feet moving right
Happy now,
he's
baby.
going to get an in-between hop. And a lot of times shortstops,
Give him one more, kuya.
third, they get their feet stuck because it's such a catch position as opposed to at shortstop and second.
Blue Jays up 5-2 with 1 away here in the last of the third. Pitch is swung on and missed. 0-1. So yeah, we have to play the Vinny's Beverage Depot at 10.
So, naka 3 hours drive pa lang pala kami, guys. Akala ko 5 hours na. Mali yung total ko. Akala ko 5 hours na kami. 3 hours pa pala. So, malayo pa yung travel namin. More than 3 hours pa pala yung drive namin. And naka 1 stop na kami. Tapos ayan si Nathan. Nag-puke na naman si Nathan boy. Ayan oh.
There's a lot of buildings there.
Okay, just hold on to it. Biglang dumilim ang panahon. Ayan, nabutan kami ng ulan. Gonna wait until the rain.
Oh yeah, it's foggy, right?
No, that's rain. Naabutan kami ng ulan. Ayan, oh. Para siyang ano.
Rain cloud up ahead.
Whoa. It's very dark right now.
Yeah, but this is a rain cloud.
What?
It's a rain cloud.
Oh no.
It's raining, but it's fall. Fall, but it's rain. It's too fast.
Rain again. Oh my goodness.
Hey, look at the guy in the motorcycle behind us.
Motorcycle? Oh yeah, oh my god. Look at that. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Oh my goodness. Lakas ng ulan. Oh, andito kami sa Wendy's. So, let's go. Let's go, guys. So, nag-stop rin kami sa Wendy's. Clinton, you're awake. Hi there, Nate.
Hi everyone. We have less than an hour to drive. And
Yep, we're almost
right
there.
now we're driving through the Appalachian Mountain Range. It's a very big mountain range.
Yeah.
Look, even though there's not many mountains right now, there's more up ahead that I see. They're very wide.
Where's the mountain? Mountain is gone.
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh, it's coming. Okay.
On the side, over there. Oh, it's just so on the left.
You can't see
All the
anything.
mountains are going to be this way.
Ah, it's supposed to be there. I see.
We're on the western edge.
Yeah.
It's a lot bigger.
So, very
I can
bad
see a mountain
weather.
up ahead.
So, madilim na, guys, oh.
Up ahead.
Inabot na kami ng gabi.
Oh, now look.
medyo matagal-tagal pa rin. Pero end ko na to kasi ayan o, dumidilim. Dumidilim na yung panahon. Dumidilim na. Ayan, so ayan, grabe. Hindi maganda yung biyahe namin ngayon kasi ilang oras na yung ulan na hanggang ngayon ay malakas pa rin. Ayan, so grabe yung ulan. Nakakatakot mag-drive. Ayan. Tapos yung bunso ko naman, si Nathan, ay grabe yung suka niya. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang suka na siya. Tapos ang ginagawa ko lang is pinapainom ko siya ng tubig, juice, tapos pakain ko siya ng crackers. Tapos kanina kumain kami sa, ayan, nag-take out kami sa Wendy's kanina, kaso lang fries lang yung kinain niya kasi yung chicken nuggets na nabili namin is spicy and hindi niya nagustuhan. Ayan. So ngayon, grabe talagang nasukan niya lahat yung kanyang pagkain, kaya ayan. So ako naman, ang plano ko talaga kanina pag alis namin is gusto ko matulog, pero hindi ako nakatulog kasi nga nag-aalala din ako sa anak ko, so hindi rin ako makatulog. So sana mamayang gabi makatulog kaming lahat. Ayan, do si Clinton nakatulog din siya konti, tapos si Nathan nakatulog din siya konti, pero ayan, yun lang, konti lang. Ako talagang siguro nakaidlip din ako konti lang yun. Ayan, tapos ayan, hindi yung talagang as in tulog. Siguro dahil sa hindi ko alam, baka excited lang kaming lahat sa aming travel ngayon. Ayan, though hindi maganda yung panahon, pero ayan, less than 1 hour na lang at makakarating na kami. So ngayon ay i-end ko na ang video na to, guys. Ayan, i-end na namin ang video na to at sana makapag-tour tayo doon bukas. Ayan, so ngayon kasi gabi na, so hindi na tayo pwede mag-disturb mamaya pagdating doon. Ayan, so ang sabi ng asawa ko is pagdating namin doon, maghahanda daw ng pagkain yung mama niya. So pagdating namin doon is kakain na lang kami tapos matutulog. Wala na kami magagawa sa labas kasi nga hindi maganda yung panahon ngayon, super lakas ng ulan. So